Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the Air Jordan 5 Oreo, or Black and White, or Moonlight. This is my first Air Jordan 5. I've deliberately stayed away from 5s because they look hard to wear, but I've read so many people say that these are very comfortable, so I figured might as well get it as a beater. These were re-released from 7-8 years ago, and sneakerheads were the ones that dubbed these as Oreos. They're officially called Moonlight now, and was called Black and White when it was first released. Let's just all agree and call it Oreos. The materials on these are actually quite surprising. It's well made. It's mainly nubuck with plastic or maybe rubber side panels. The colorway is basic. Actually scratch out the Oreo name. Maybe we should just stick to black and white. Not really sure why these were called Oreos when it's really just mainly black and white. They're very comfortable to wear though, and I'm glad I went with these fairly plain pair as my first Air Jordan 5 as a beater shoes. You can pretty much treat this like any black sneakers. Well, a bulkier version of it at least. There really isn't much to say with this pair. It's fairly easy to get. I'm sure you can cop retail on these everywhere. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.